and this is the video that a whole bunch of folks keep asking me about. We are going to show you the first Bluetooth controlled motorcycle in the world. Again, you can control your motorcycle right from the cell phone. Now I'm going to show you what this technology can do. As you can see, the motorcycle, look at the tank. Want the tank down, and not only the tank, but watch the seat as well. First one in the world, remote control seat and tank. Again, as we walk around on the bike, this is another thing that I wanted to show you, and this is the first one in the world. There's a lot of technologies right now that you can start your vehicle right from a telephone, but this one you don't have to wait the lag. There's no lag on this one. In this case, press the button, ignition goes on, boom, bike goes on. It is instantaneous. Watch this. Touch the button, bike off. And this is the new technology that a lot of people have been talking about. They already had, but no, you did not. This is the first one. No lag. It is automatic on and off. As we go along, watch the tank again. We go to the tank setting and the seat. All seamless. We come around. I'm going to show you again. You know, you can control everything. Watch the hump. And the trunk, it's something that many people keep talking about, because I'm really picky when it comes to the trunk. That's why when you go to the show, nobody wants to show the trunk. The trunk is very important. This is how the trunk looks on the Suzuki Hayabusa 2008, the Commander in Chief's bike. And of course, watch this. We couldn't just leave it like that. We got to put some lighting on it. All control via Bluetooth. As you can see, everything is all dress right dress. Lights all around the bike. This is one thing that we didn't show you last time. And of course, this is during the daytime. You've seen the nighttime video. Now this is the daytime. We're going to close the trunk. All right through your cell phone. Now, the one thing that we didn't show you last time, it was the nitrous purges. Watch this, folks. This is going to be the rear purge, and you can do it right via Bluetooth. Setting, touch the button, watch the rear. Oh yeah, that is everything on your bike. 16 channels, and you can control your whole bike. Now you can see the front. On the front, we had also the nitrous purges right here. We didn't show you last time because we didn't have nitrous. Now we do. Watch this. Right there. Big nitrous spray. And like again, via Bluetooth. And of course, we don't forget, we got our tunes right here. Right on the tank. You got your iPod, motorcycle boutique. We're going around. This technology is the one that we've been talking about for a long time. Now you can get it right through Motorcycle Boutique. Only through Motorcycle Boutique. Now that we show you the seat, the tank, the trunk, turn on the bike. Hey, we're going to turn on the bike again just for... Watch this. Watch the bike. Boom. On and ignition. Right away. This you cannot miss. Turn it off automatically. I mean, you don't wait anything. Watch the rear tail of the bike. Oh, let's show you the nitrous purge, how it looks like from the rear. Right there, folks. Right through a button. And watch the rear. Oh yeah, full nitrous system, front and rear purges. Quadruport nitrous purge kit. Watch the rear. We also got rear air ride. You know, we cannot forget. All control. Right with your cell phone. Watch the rear. There you go. And of course we're going down. Watch the bike. All via Bluetooth. Now we couldn't just do the rear. Now we did the front as well. And this is one thing that we didn't show as much. Front air ride as well. And again, just with a touch of a button right here. Watch the front of the bike. Right here in Motorcycle Boutique, we did not forget anything. As you can see, all chromed out. And of course, you know, front air rides from Tricky Air, custom made wheels, especially for Motorcycle Boutique. Now we're going to show you one of the new accessories on the bike as well. So let's lower the front. Watch the windshield right here. This is a new accessory for Motorcycle Boutique. You could not leave it, you know, just seamless. Well, watch this. That's our new custom-made laser-cut Commander-in-Chief windshield. Attention to detail. And of course, the bike. This is how the bike looks at nighttime. Extra lower. I mean, the bike is literally slammed on the ground. Now let's do it again. We're gonna go back again. Watch the tank and watch the seat, folks. All by the touch of a button on your cell phone. First motorcycle control via Bluetooth. This installation of the remote tank, as you can see, seamless. There's no piston around like other bikes out there, you know, that just do a sloppy job. This is attention to detail, folks. No pistons. You can see a flawless finish. Oh yeah. Everything done right here at Motorcycle Boutique. Folks, we show you the front, the rear. Of course, check it out. Right here, Sproder system. Custom cut wheels. Specially done for Motorcycle Boutique. Light up swing arm. Big 360. Custom hubs. And of course, custom nitrous system with gauges and everything. Custom purge kit with lights. All done by Motorcycle Boutique. This is the bottom. Oh, attention to detail, folks. One thing that we didn't show you before. And of course, we couldn't forget our main distributor owned of the Fatty Pipes. We're going to give you another sample again. And as you saw everything, this is done by Motorcycle Boutique. And like always, folks, In God we trust. And this is how it's prayed.